Good morning everyone. Today we will be discussing the importance of genetics in biology. Genetics is the study of how traits are passed down from generation to generation. It is the foundation of biology, as genetics plays a role in the development and function of all living organisms. The basic unit of genetics is the gene, which is a segment of DNA that codes for a specific trait or characteristic. These genes are located on chromosomes, which are structures found in the nucleus of every cell in an organism. One of the most important concepts in genetics is Mendel's laws of inheritance. Gregor Mendel was an Austrian monk who conducted experiments with pea plants in the 19th century. He discovered that traits are inherited in a predictable pattern based on the laws of segregation and dominance. The law of segregation states that when an organism reproduces, its chromosomes will separate, so that each offspring will receive one copy of each chromosome from each parent. This means that each offspring will inherit a combination of traits from both parents. The law of dominance states that some genes are dominant, while others are recessive. This means that if an organism has a dominant gene, it will express that trait, even if it also has a recessive gene for the same trait. Another important concept in genetics is genetic variation. This refers to the fact that no two individuals of a species are exactly the same. Genetic variation occurs due to mutations, which are changes in the DNA sequence and through the process of sexual reproduction, where the genetic material of two individuals is combined. Genetics also plays a role in the process of evolution, as genetic variation allows for natural selection to occur. The individuals with the most favorable traits are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on their genetic traits to the next generation. In conclusion, genetics is an essential field of biology that helps us understand how traits are passed down, the role of genes, and the process of evolution. It has many practical applications, such as in medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology.